This knife is not the knife that you're gonna find in the front of your favorite local retailer. It's something our chef customers have really been asking for a variety of reasons. The Ko-Bunka knife is a smaller bunka knife that's very versatile, great for precision prep work, characterized by very similar blade qualities. One being the K-tip, that allows for precision cuts, a flat blade that allows for up and down chopping rather than back and forth rocking, which is really great for prepping ingredients, herbs, vegetables, things like that. And also the height itself. So this is gonna be taller in height than a classic petty knife, which allows you to do a lot of work without your knuckles kind of hitting the cutting board. We're very proud to make all of our Japanese knives in Seki, Japan, a city that has over 800 years of knife making experience, using all the best raw materials and the truest manufacturing practices. We take a lot of cues from the authentic manufacturing in Seki, Japan, but we bring some stuff that's authentically made into the design process as well. Like our Western style knives, we've created this angled bolster that's really comfortable for a pinch grip and makes it comfortable to use this knife for extended periods of times. This limited edition Japanese knife uses Moabi wood, and the fact it's a slightly higher carbon blade means they can get sharper. It's VG-10 metal at its core, and then there's 66 layers of folded hard and soft metals, one on top of the other to make a true 67-layer Damascus knife. We test all of our products with our chef customers, and a lot of prep at a lot of restaurants requires monotonous, reoccurring prep of a single ingredient. Our friends at Este, they are cutting thousands of limes for all of their different dishes, which all use lime. It's super durable, it's amazing for prep work, so I can see why chefs love it. This is a limited drop. We don't have a lot of them. We had to fight tooth and nail to produce 2,000 Ko-Bunka knives. It's gonna sell out quickly and continue an awesome tradition of making limited edition silhouettes. It's gonna be very, very fun for you to use night in and night out.